You're gonna feel my hand on your low back. I'm gonna turn you like that. I'm gonna take both your arms. We're not gonna do it yet, but what would happen? This would drop. My hand's gonna be here. I'm gonna rotate you and maybe hit like that. Good. Good, good. Good. Breathe. Not so bad, right?
No.
Good. Relax. Good. Let it go. Breathe. Not so bad?
No, it wasn't so bad actually.
Just weird.
Yeah, I mean it's loud because.
That, my hand's gonna go under you. I'm gonna come down and maybe a push.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Any questions?
No.
Good. Deep breath. And just breathe out. Let it fall. Good, good. Good. Easy. One more. Good. Perfect. Not so bad?
No.